Imagine a world where healers could work without fear, where hospitals were always safe havens, even amidst conflict. The international laws of armed conflict strive to make this a reality by strictly protecting medical services. But what happens when these crucial safeguards are ignored? Violating medical protection under international humanitarian law carries very serious consequences. These acts can lead to individual criminal responsibility for grave breaches of the Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols, often categorized as war crimes. This means those who commit or order such violations can be held accountable for their actions. The core reason behind these severe consequences is the absolute necessity of medical impartiality and humanitarian principles during armed conflict. International humanitarian law, particularly the Geneva Conventions of 1949, establishes that medical personnel, medical units, and medical transports must be respected and protected in all circumstances. They cannot be made the object of attack. This special status is vital because their sole purpose is to save lives and alleviate suffering, without discrimination based on who is friend or foe. When these protections are violated, it undermines the very foundation of humanitarian relief and the ability to care for the wounded and sick. For example, intentionally targeting a hospital, even if it is near military objectives, is a grave breach. Similarly, firing upon clearly marked medical personnel or preventing medical supplies from reaching those in need can constitute war crimes. These acts are investigated by competent authorities, and evidence is gathered for potential prosecution. A critical aspect of this protection is the distinctive emblem of the Red Cross or Red Crescent. This symbol signals neutrality and protection. Misusing this emblem, such as employing it to shield military actions, is also a violation known as perfidy, and it seriously jeopardizes the safety of genuine medical workers. Understanding individual criminal responsibility means that even high-ranking commanders can be held accountable for failing to prevent or punish such acts by their subordinates. Ultimately, the severe consequences for violating medical protection underscore humanity's commitment to preserving dignity and life, even in the darkest times of war. By holding individuals accountable, international humanitarian law aims to deter future violations, uphold the principles of distinction and humanity, and ensure that those who heal can continue their vital work without becoming targets themselves, protecting the most vulnerable when they need it most.